I received this food dehydrator as a gift, and in this video, I'm using it to make homemade jerky and showing the final results. This is the 600-watt food dehydrator with 6 BPA-free trays, and it's designed for drying things like jerky, meat, fruit, herbs, mushrooms, dog treats, and other snacks at home. One thing I really liked right away is how easy it is to set up. You stack the trays, plug it in, set the temperature and the timer, and it's ready to go. There's no complicated setup, which makes it really approachable even if you've never used a dehydrator before. For this batch, I'm making jerky, and you can see how much space the 6 trays give you. There's plenty of room to lay the meat out evenly without overcrowding, which really helps everything dry consistently. The temperature goes up to 158 degrees, which worked really well for jerky. I didn't have to constantly adjust anything or rotate trays. The airflow stayed consistent across all levels. The 24-hour timer is a big plus. I could set it and let it run without worrying about babysitting the machine, which makes the process much more hands-off. While it's running, it stays relatively quiet, which is nice if it's going to be going for several hours. It didn't feel disruptive in the kitchen at all. The trays feel sturdy and well made, and since they're BPA free, they're easy to clean afterward, especially important when you're working with meat. At the end of the video, you can see the finished jerky, and I was really happy with how it turned out. The pieces dried evenly and had a great texture without any spots being over or underdone. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. This dehydrator made the jerky making process simple and stress-free, and the results were exactly what I was hoping for. If you're looking for a reliable home food dehydrator for jerky and other snacks, this one does a really great job.